beauty treatment in the 70s and 80s through the efforts of a gua sha specialist in Beijing, Professor Lloyd Giroux. After studying the technique for more than 2 years, Samuel began to use scraping treatment to help women in Hong Kong combat the effects of aging. Apart from shaping up one's figure, gua sha can also be applied to the skin of the face to firm it up and enhance the features.
人咧最容易睇到個年紀咧係頸紋啦，咁佢亦都可以做到一樣嘢，就係話將你嘅頸紋全部拉翻開，平復翻。咁如果呢一個年齡嘅秘密可以隱藏嘅話咧，咁就係人都唔知你幾多歲啦。
Ada is only 23 years old, but she already realizes the importance of keeping one's youthful appearance. Facial gua sha begins with the forehead. The most important area for scraping is around the eyes. As one ages, decreased blood circulation around the eyes and fluid accumulation cause the skin to sag. Luckily, it's a problem that can be remedied by the skillful application of scraping treatment.
咁做呢兩個部位嘅時候咧，有機會咧呢一部分咧會係痛嘅。點解咧？因為積得太耐嘅時候咧，幫你用一個少少嘅壓力幫你推出去嘅時候咧，咁啊呢個位置會感覺到會痛咯。
Afterwards, gua sha continues on the cheekbones and cheeks. Scraping this way can directly stimulate nerve endings in the epidermis and improve microcirculation. This has the effect of replenishing oxygen and nutrients in the skin, restoring elasticity and smoothness.
嗱，而家呢一半嘅刮痧已經做完㗎啦，咁你會見到咧，明顯眼部有少少提升啦。咁另外咧，呢個最凹嘅位置咧就已經跌翻落去，同埋咧呢一個位置咧係收咗上邊嘅。
Finally, scraping is done on the neck to tighten the skin there, after which the entire process is complete.
想皮膚 firm 翻少少啦，膚質靚翻啲啦。咁我又未需要去到anti-aging 嗰一方面，咁但係會想 keep 住可以喺翻而家呢個年紀嗰個。